Hey there, Tomcat. That is an excellent question about jackfruit. So, it is originally from South and Southeast Asia, and it's really unique. It's an awesome fruit. It's very large and it can be used many different ways. So, when it's unripe, it has a neutral flavor to it and it's very fibrous. It even has latex in it. But in that state, it makes a very good dish. A couple of dishes like pulled pork type dishes, shredded chicken, barbecue, you name it. So, but when it's ripe, it is very, very sweet. It's like a cross between eating a pineapple, a banana, and a strawberry and a mango all in one fruit. It's so delicious. So now you may ask, why would you want to eat it? If you want me to go over that, drop me a comment and I'll do another video for you. So y'all, I pulled all of my jackfruit out and here it is in a nice little bowl. I'm gonna put me one of my lid covers over the bowl. But right here next to it are the seeds. And I'm gonna hold on to the seeds because you can make hummus from jackfruit seeds. Did you know that? Yes. So here's my fruit all covered up with my nice little lid cover to keep my fresh fruit fresh. And now I can put it in the refrigerator and come and grab me one like this right here. Like that. Like that, like that. And put the lid cover back on. Give me a little piece like that. 16 benefits of eating jackfruit: reducing inflammation and stopping viral infections, making sweet and savory dishes, adding fiber to your diet. Fiber is going to help with better digestion. Mm. Hell, you may want to load up on antioxidants to protect you from oxidative stress and inflammation. Are you looking to rid yourself from free radicals? We all know what that leads to. Benefits of eating jackfruit: helps prevent chronic diseases and skin problems. Eat jackfruit if you want good heart health and a boost to your immune system. Help with asthma, diarrhea, and stomach ulcer, and increase to your vitamin C and potassium. International markets have them. And if you want to make things like tacos, pulled pork sandwiches, smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell for more content like this. This is Lady Empress.